Hey everyone, Chris here at Katana. We have a huge announcement regarding our QuickBooks integration. This allows you to take sales orders from Katana, push them into QuickBooks, and generate invoices straight from the Katana dashboard. To get started, you'll go into your settings page here and check out our integration section where you'll see the Intuit QuickBooks logo and you can select Connect. This will redirect you to QuickBooks website where you can select the account you would use, and then it'll bring up a connection page. And this will redirect you back into Katana where you can set up your configuration. So on the configuration window, you'll see here that it shows that you can take your sales orders from Katana and invoice them in QuickBooks. And at a later date, we're going to expand this to purchase orders in Katana and bill in QuickBooks. Go ahead and select continue to pick which ledger you want to use. In this case, I used sell of product income, and then you're done. It'll show up as connected here on your integrations page, and you can go back to your sell screen. In your sell screen, you'll notice that we have a brand new column here that says invoice, and you'll see all of the statuses say not invoiced. So if you want to take a look at one of your sales orders up close, we also have the new menu option here, not invoiced. And then when you select create invoice, this actually pushes the sales order to QuickBooks and creates an invoice inside of QuickBooks, which you can further edit and send off to your customer. So let's go ahead and create one and see what happens. So once it's created, it'll say invoice created in QuickBooks. You can also go back to your sell page and see the update has the status update has changed here as well. And you can also do the exact same thing for each individual sales order. So during the connection, when this invoice gets created, it'll actually generate a link right here from this column. So click on that link, and this takes you straight into your QuickBooks account where you'll see your invoice itself and all of the information that you can go ahead and make any adjustments or fine-tuning to. That's it for our QuickBooks and Katana integration. Happy manufacturing and happy invoicing.